अब रिलीज एक दिन बढ़ के क्लोज हो रहा है तो और स्ट्रेस भी बढ़ रहा है. Why you crying? Like, no, because I'm seeing you on screen. I was like, okay. I'm just prepared to get papped every day at this point. Like I don't step out of the house without my kajal and lip gloss. I just don't.
Hello and welcome to India Today. This is Anita Brito in conversation with the amazing cast of Azad. Hello guys.
Hello.
How are you?
Rasha
How are you?
and Aman. Hello, welcome to India Today.
Thank you
Thank
so
you for
much.
having us.
Thank you so much. But we are so excited. कैसा लग रहा है पहले तो मुझे ये बताइए. I know you all are nervous,
Very.
but the response is so good that I think वो आधा nervousness खत्म करना चाहिए आप लोग का.
I think वो nervousness रहती है रहेगी थोड़ी
हम्म.
time I think release तक and I think excitement भी है so it's not just nervousness.
Rasha, what about you?
I agree क्योंकि I think response तो I hope अच्छा है लेकिन अब रिलीज एक दिन बढ़ के क्लोज हो रहा है तो और स्ट्रेस भी बढ़ रहा है लेकिन वी आर जस्ट होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट सो या.
Nice. But what is the advice or friendly advice I mean to say कि आपके family ने दिया होगा या friend circles ने दिया होगा, especially your friend circles because they are the one who have seen you. What kind of response did they give you firstly for the trailer and the teaser and everything that has come out so far and the advice that you have received so far?
तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स तो मेरे से भी और एक्साइटेड है एक्चुअली. जब टीज़र पहले निकला था तो मेरी एक दोस्त है तो वो रो पड़ी तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स एक्चुअली मेरे से और एक्साइटेड. वो यूट्यूब पे देख के वो रो रहे हैं और मैं बस बैठी हूँ कि why you crying? Like, no, because I'm seeing you on screen. I was like, okay. Anyway, but yeah, my parents बहुत supportive है. मेरे parents बहुत supportive है और जो एडवाइस मम्मी पापा ने दिया कि बस स्टे हम्बल, स्टे ग्राउंडेड क्योंकि ये इंडस्ट्री ऐसा है कि इट्स वेरी इजी टू गेट स्वेड विद एवरीथिंग हैपनिंग अराउंड यू एंड जब होता है आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि हुआ है टू यू. तो माई मदर एंड फादर very focused on the fact that I just stay on the ground and don't fly somewhere. So yeah.
Yeah, no, I agree with her. I definitely think humble रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है because इतना कुछ है it's such a good start that we've got. It's very essential for us to keep our feet on the ground ताकि हम और भी आगे बढ़ पाए and I think that's what my uncle has always told me that just maintain that humility always.
Sweet. And your friends, how did they
I
react
think
here?
मेरे दोस्त I think same. They're just very excited. They're just like, oh wow, I loved Birange. I loved the trailer. They loved Uyamma also, by the way. I forgot it as well.
Thank you.
And I think they're just excited, I think वो भी जानते हैं ना इतने सालों से हम करना चाह रहे हैं, so they're just very excited कि finally हो रहा है and they're seeing me in that position right now. So.
But Aman, Rasha was always, seen.
Correct.
Paps have never left you since the day you have stepped out. I think they were always around you, and it felt like you were camera ready since the first, shot that we seen of you. Aman, you have tried to stay away from the limelight or from the Paps. Was it a conscious decision or was it?
It was somewhat a conscious decision because I feel like I think हम just shoot करके आए थे and then वो एक माहौल start हो जाता है कि PR start करना है, ये करना है, advices आने लगती है. But I personally felt कि why is a person captured? उनकी spotting क्यों होती है? क्योंकि उनका कुछ काम है और कोई reason होता है उनका famous होने के लिए. But मेरा कोई काम out नहीं था. अभी मेरी film आ रही है. So I wanted some work to show before people can see who I am. Otherwise, why are they seeing me? Who are you? Why would they want to see me? So now I have something to present to them. Then it makes sense.
So now are we going to see you? Sorry.
No, I said agree. I just said agree.
Yeah.
Are we going to see you more around, being captured?
I guess probably.
What about you, Rasha? What was your idea of coming out and?
So even me actually starting to get papped was not a conscious. I remember the first time I got papped was actually I'd gone to wash my hair in the salon, and they thought it was my mom because our car is the number and it was me. So ever since that day, it has become like a regularity, just getting papped. And after that, it's like I'm just prepared to get papped every day at this point. Like I don't step out of the house without my kajal and lip gloss. I just don't. Or my sunglasses when I'm not doing any
But also
makeup.
you had work out as soon as you came back. Like you started working on your adverts.
But
and all
even before actually, even like right after we finished shooting and all, it had increased a lot more. And I was very scared of them. Initially, I was very scared of the camera. Like even after we finished shooting and came back, I remember when they used to follow me, I used to be like, oh my God, what if this comes out and I'm looking like this? Or what if this comes out and I'm looking like this? Or I'm doing this weird thing, or I'm doing that weird thing. And there have been, trust me, there have been so many videos where I'm like, oh my God, like why am I looking or doing this? But I think now I've got this friendly equation with them. So I've kind of understood them as people more. So it's very easy then to connect to the camera also when they're right behind.
But does this add a pressure on both of you? Because, kuch nahi to y'all are always been looked at and, always in that eye gaze of everyone.
I think it's very unfair to say that it's a pressure, because this is a career path that we have chosen, and this comes with the territory. And there are so many benefits also to being in a career like this. I think we are both very grateful कि हमको ये मौका मिला है. तो complain करना is, I don't think, in our heads only about anything.
No, I think it's a part and parcel. If you want to achieve what you want to achieve, this is a part of it. So it's something you have to do. So there's no option.
And one, lesson that you learned while working with Ajay, I don't know whether you have scenes with Ajay Devgan or no, but if you have, what has been your experience like
So
with him?
mostly
Both of
him
you?
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think first day when we were shooting, I was very nervous because I was just not being able to find that distinction between the character and the superstar that he is. I would just see him and I was just getting nervous. Like, how am I going to perform in front of him? Forget family, forget it. I was just seeing Ajay Devgan, the star. And I was just like, okay, I need to calm down. But then Gattu sir helped me. He was like, apne kirdar mein raho. Just calm down. And then I think I used actor ke petre hote thode bahut, and I think that worked with him.
But was he an actor on set, or was he your uncle also on set? Did he play both the roles?
He's never been an uncle on set. He's never, even when I used to assist with him, I've assisted on 2 films with him initially. And the first thing he said is that you have to treat this guy like the lowest of the lowest ADs. And he's just been that way. And I think he always says it in his interviews also. He's extremely strict with me. And he very rarely will compliment me. I think even when he saw the film, I think that was the only time he was just like, good job, in his very stoic voice. And I think that also comes from a place of love. I think because he really believes ke what all I can achieve and how much is required, wo janta hai, isliye.
What about you?
So I unfortunately didn't get to share that much screen space with Ajay sir. Lekin throughout the shoot where he was there and I was also there, he made sure that I was comfortable in whatever capacity, even lunches, even though he was having on his own, he didn't have to call me to sit with them and eat lunch, but we all ate lunch together. Even when we were shooting in Mumbai, whether it was our patchwork or whatever scenes to cover up, he used to try and help us. Like we had this small patchwork to do where I was unsure how to go ahead with it. And he sat there, he was like, okay, you should, have your face like this. This should be what you're thinking. And the camera should be here. And this is what your thought process should be in your brain. And this is the expression that you should have. So he used to try and help us, in whatever way he could, even though he was not in the scene. Which I think I appreciate so much because, to learn from someone like him is like amazing. Yeah.
Well, great. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. This was too much fun. And
This
all
was so
the very
fun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
It
for
was
having us.
all the best. We are really looking forward to the film.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Lots of love.
Thank you.